If you are watching this video, I want you guys to understand one thing and one thing alone. It's the fact that you are so early to the gains that the Robinhood chain really has in store for you. Now, when I say that, I need you guys to understand that Robinhood chain hasn't had a bull run before. So with that said, there's a lot of projects on there that are releasing, that are building right now, that in a couple months to a couple years are going to be in the hundreds of millions of dollars, potentially even in the billions. Think of things like Pepe, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about three of my favorite meme coins on the Robinhood chain that I honestly think could make a lot of us millionaires. Now, this isn't financial advice, but if you guys like what you see at the end of this video, consider hitting that subscribe button. With that being said, let's get straight into today's video. So guys, right off the rip here, we're taking a look at CoinMarketCap, okay? The overall market is extremely like stagnant. It's not moving up or down. It's kind of just moving sideways for the majority of it. And that's something that I've been saying for a while. I've told you guys that I think that crypto is going to move sideways for a really long time, and that is exactly what we are seeing. I told you guys that Bitcoin is going to bottom out around Q4, and guess what, guys? We are getting into Q4 very soon. September, October, November, December is going to be that quarter forward. Just wrapping up Q3 right now, and I need you guys to understand that August, we might potentially see a little bit of a pump, but then September, October, expect us to make some, honestly, expect us to make some lows, because if everything checks out, that means an October bottom is set to happen, just like history intended. Now, history doesn't repeat itself, but it often does rhyme. So I think that a bottom is very overdue, and it's going to happen very soon. But as we approach basically the bottom of this bear market, that leaves us with so many opportunities, because as the Robinhood chain is so new, a lot of the meme coins that are launched on the Robinhood chain are going to experience some monumental, exponential growth in the next couple months into the next couple years, especially on the peak of the bull run in the next cycle. You know, when you fast forward to the future, in hindsight, you're going to be wishing that you got into a lot of these plays. But right now, finding those winners, navigating through everything, and trying to find plays that are actually building is the hard part. So in today's video, I have three of my favorite meme coins that I'm buying, knowing that they are going to do well in the next bull run. Now, the first one is this project over here. What if? Now, this isn't necessarily even a meme coin. You guys can kind of look at this as almost a cultural shift in crypto. Now, this is a meme coin, but it's something that sticks with you. It's not something that's a cartoon that you have to remember the name of. This is a paradigm shift, because what if is just a saying that we use all the time, right? For example, what if Bitcoin hits 100K? What if what if Ethereum hits 10K? What if Bitcoin goes to 200K next cycle? This is a common phrase that everyone and their mother in crypto always says, right? Even right now, or fast forward 4 or 5 years from now, people are going to be saying, what if I bought Bitcoin at 60K? What if I bought Ethereum at 1,800? And what if this token goes to over $1 billion market cap? One thing to understand is that it ran up to already $40 million market cap, and now it's back down to sub 10. And I think that that is a steal of an entry, right? 38 million to be exact. And guys, just imagine when it runs to 100 million, an entry sub 10 million is almost a 10x return. And then for it to get to a billion, you realize that you are making a 100x on probably something that looks, it looks quite obvious, right? Now, obviously, this isn't financial advice, but if I had to bet on, excuse me, a Robinhood meme coin to do really well, I think I would hedge a lot of my bets on this what if token. Now, the next crypto project that I think has a lot to do with timing and why timing is so important is Good in the Hood. Now, these guys, they were working on Midas on Base. I don't know if you guys remember that, but Midas on Base launched towards the end, the last little bit of the bull run, and it still ran up very close to $10 million market cap organically, and it has some massive liquidity still locked away in the project, as does Good in the Hood. The thing about Good in the Hood is that the team has some crazy experience, right? I've even gone out to dinner with one of them guys in the past, and I genuinely believe that this is the right team to be spearheading a project like this. And Good in the Hood has a cool avatar. It has great tokenomics, right? Let's take a look at the tokenomics over here. Let me just close this down. Anyways, let's take a look at the chart here for now, because I couldn't find a mute button for the music. ran up to $540,000 market cap on launch day. Now, one thing to look at is the liquidity, guys. This is a sub $300,000 market cap crypto, but it has almost 100K in liquidity. There is not many crypto meme coins or cryptos in general that could speak on something like that. That has the numbers to back it like that. And look at how well it's been recovering, right? Had the massive pump, had a little bit of a sell off from 512,000, and then boom, starting to move towards the upside once again. Now, I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if this is the start of our leg towards the top. And one thing I really need you guys to understand is just how many people, KOLs, are supporting this project because they believe that this project is going to do good. I mean, just go to the good ticker and you'll see Crypto Empress, right? Who has hundreds or 100,000 followers. She said, showing recovery strength on the 4-hour chart, even with the market so unpredictable and us being in a bear market, price is holding well. Good is expanding his hood and now chilling the homies on wallet, on OKX wallet, and then you can see finance free and bought more good in the good coin on the dip earlier. Been seeing that work. Good team has been putting in, and I'm excited about it. They just opened up a whale chat today with a lot of good people excited about the new pup, new partnerships, and more coming up. I hear. Listen, guys, this is a solid project. I think it has a lot of upside potential. And if it were to do anything like what Midas has done, right? Midas the Minotaur, you can see here that this still has about $118,000 in liquidity locked away, which is absolutely insane. Now, granted, you know, it was at 8 million and it is back down, but that's all because of volume, and base doesn't have any volume flowing through it. Doesn't mean that the project is bad. All it means that people are looking for, you know, what else is greener, right? Grass is greener on Robinhood, obviously, because it's green. So people are buying into plays like Good in the Hood. And if Midas could run up to $8 million market cap in a bull market, right, launching literally at the tail ends of it, you can see August 20 or September 2025, and then obviously, guys, we peaked in October, right? The bull market, or Bitcoin had its peak in October, and then we started a bear market. Imagine what it could do if it has years to build. Good in the Hood could genuinely become something special. So for me, number two, second meme coin that I'm buying is definitely going to be Good in the Hood. Alright guys, last but definitely not least, I feel like this one could genuinely run on and become the face of the Robinhood ecosystem. This one over here is called, it's literally called Robinhood. It is Fox, okay? This is Fox over here, and Fox, I feel like, just matches what Robinhood is. A community created fan meme inspired by the Robinhood legend, now living on Robinhood Chain. The Fox of the trenches. This thing is still so low. Still sub $1 million market cap. Ran all the way as high as 3.1 million, but I believe this is still really undervalued. Robinhood is one of the most recognizable legends in the world, and across popular culture, the Fox has repeatedly been used to represent the clever outlaw who challenges the powerful and gives back to the people. Fox brings that fan created narrative on chain. So you can see their whole idea is, their whole kind of lore is, they steal from Wall Street. Robinhood, the Fox, he brings that money to the trenches. You can see here the bow is equipped, the money bag is secured, the Sherwood feathers, their lucky charm, and the Sherwood map is ready. Really like how they're doing it, guys. I think this is solid. I think it has a lot of potential. And you can see just in Fox on Robinhood rallied 60% in the past 24 hours. Independent from Robinhood Markets, a new community meme coin called Fox is going viral. This was literally just today. Fox just spiked 5x on the Robinhood chain as the community continues to gain traction. And again, I'm telling you, Fox could become one of the biggest memes on Robinhood chain. The Fox is Robinhood, and Robinhood is the Fox. 10 to 20x from here seems possible. I wouldn't be surprised if that is the case. This is a play that I'm bullish on, and these are three meme coins on the Robinhood chain that I think deserve some recognition, and I think could retire a lot of people in the next bull run. Now, obviously, fellas, this is not financial advice. Nothing that I talk about here on this channel is. I'm only here to entertain and to educate, and if that has worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.